So, top Spurs 0, Arsenal 1. Set piece coach. It is a pay rise, Jez, because I'll tell you something, I thought we'd been sussed out this season on set pieces, and then up steps top Spurs. Well done, Bukayo Saka. Best corner you've taken for about a year. Normally you were the first man. Not great today. I thought we were poor. I thought we got better the longer the game went on. Defensively, I thought second half we were very good at times. Just let them have it with Brennan Johnson and Son, who was pretty anonymous second half, really, and just mop it up. The goalkeeper in the first half saved us because what were we doing at times in that first half? We were getting cut through like a knife through butter. But we held in. We had chances on the break. Martinelli held the ball. Arteta was fuming, Jess. You see it on TV. He's like, pass that ball. And Saka would have had a tap in. But ultimately, we beat them. And it's the history of the top Spurs. Make sure you sub to JEZ's channel, Arsenal, History, and More. Link will be in the title if I can squeeze it in, if not description. But yeah, JEZ, 3 years in a row.
Yeah, can't make it up. You know, I when I watched that game, I was like, okay, we've got no midfield today. And I was right. I thought Partey was absolutely bloody useless today. I don't know what he was doing. He was walking around. Every time he got the ball, he lost it. But I'll take it, Lee. It's 1-0 to the Arsenal down the lane. And it's 3 points. We need those 3 points to keep in contention. And, yeah, bring on Man City. But their midfield is as bad as our midfield. But one thing I noticed today, which I don't like, I do not like this at all. And I said it, I kept mentioning it. When we went into defensive position today, Martinelli, Saka, at one point, they're playing in left mid position. And it was proven. We were trying to dismiss our midfield, play the long ball. That's great. But when you got nobody up there to receive it, what's the point? Your two players, your left, right wing, left wing, they're back here in midfield. So who's going to pick the ball up? Havertz hasn't got the pace to bring it up.
He was poor today.
Martinelli, right, as you mentioned, just backstream, classic point. He got the ball. He absolutely nutmegged Johnson. Round he went, and then running with his head down again. Right, he didn't see Saka. Saka's free. Martinelli takes the shot from distance. And it's saved. I mean, you can see Saka was going bloody mental.
Yeah. That shot was weak. Yeah, I reckon, Jace, you're in your 60s. I'm in my 40s. I reckon we could have hit that shot harder than him.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, and then when he went clean down the wing again, just whip the ball in. Just whip it. Saka was standing at the back stick for a tap in. Because that first one was the 4-on-2. And it was like, we've got to score from this, surely. Yeah, and they gave us chances today. Yeah, and it took a set piece. We can't keep winging it with set pieces. Today, cool, we'll take it, fantastic, yeah? But at the same time, we're very, very, very poor going forward, yeah, because we're very predictable. Yeah, Saka barely takes his man on. Martinelli takes his man on, yeah, and then just spanks it into the moon, yeah, or just like cuts it back to no one. Yeah, it's like, or just P-roll shot. He needs dropping. Yeah, Raheem Sterling should have been the first player subbed on that pitch today. Trossard got hooked before Martinelli. Same time, but Trossard was the first one off. I thought Trossard done all right today. Yeah, he was the one that set Martinelli free down that side at times for them chances. Why is he the first one off again? It's like, come on, what are we doing here? Like, how many more games have we got to watch Martinelli not get his head up, run around like a fucking crackhead, yeah, and have no impact on a game at all? How many more times before he gets dropped? Hopefully, Raheem Sterling does the business, because when he came on, he had a chance and you could see he weren't sharp. He dropped his shoulder and sent Romero over there. Just whip it, mate. He took another 2 touches, gave the ball away. Just hit it. We see that in the first half with Solanke. Ben White gave the ball straight to Solanke. Yeah, if he was sharp, he would have scored that, or at least had a shot on target. It's like, the quality of this league is shit. We know that. But this is the difference between Manchester City and the rest of us. Yeah. Haaland ain't taking that extra touch. He's scoring.
Bang. Yeah.
Goal. Bang. Look at his first goal yesterday. Deflected. I know it looped over the keeper. He weren't even looking at the goal. He weren't even facing. He was going that way. The goal was there. He just turned and bang, straight in. Yeah, second one, bang, have that pinnock, see you later, clean through, dink. We ain't got that, Jez. And that is the difference between us and, Man City and everyone else. Yeah, we're not clinical enough. We overthink shit. Yeah, and we think we're slick and smart with it. And ultimately, that'll come crashing down at some point.
It's going, man. It's going. I mean, we've got a tough game on Thursday night. We've got City away on Wednesday. The narrative's going to be, oh, if we lose to City, oh, well, we had to play Atalanta on Thursday night. Man City played on Wednesday. Right, let's look at this case in point here, right? Okay. When we started to make the subs, I said 65 minutes. It was 68. So I was pretty close. I said I normally am with him. We know when Arteta is going to make his subs, right? I said it would be those players for those players. Because you could actually see Arteta, right? When Tottenham made their substitutions, he's like this, looking at the bench. He's like,
yeah,
who the hell do I bring on? So he substitute, right? Martinelli, Trossard, Jesus and Sterling come on. And you could see him, right, Arteta and AirPod Albert having a discussion. And if you go back and watch the replay, AirPod Albert is going.
Yeah, and then did you see Carlos Cuesta, the other guy, sat down, rolled his eyes like that because Arteta was giving it all of that. And AirPod Albert were having an exchange. Yeah, and Carlos Cuesta, one of our coaches, sat there on the bench. Matty highlighted it, so I rewound it while we were live. And he sat there like that. So maybe he was saying, we don't know what they were saying. Maybe he was just rolling his eyes about, oh, the referee's a dickhead or Martinelli shit or this is that. Yeah, we don't know. But the way that exchange looked, it was almost like that coach was like, what the fuck are these two dickheads talking about? Because he never got involved in the conversation. He just looked at Arteta and went like that. Yeah, it's like, bro, the thing is, yeah, we're a very good team, Jez. You know, we're very difficult to beat. We'll give you chances, but you don't take them. Yeah, their chances today. They should have been 2-0 up at half time. Yeah, but then
their goals we had no shots on target today. We had no shots taken within the penalty 18-yard box. Right? That's a sad indictment. Yeah.
Apart from the goal.
That's from a set piece.
Yeah. The shots we had on target was Martinelli P-roll straight to the keeper. And I genuinely can't remember another shot on target we had other than the goal.
No, but the fact remains, look at what Tottenham had. They had 3 on target, right? They had 3 within the 18-yard box, and we didn't have any. Okay, you can say, you make the argument, we're away at White Hart Lane. I get that. But this is Arsenal Football Club. This is Arsenal Football Club. Our midfield today, I thought, was absolutely bloody shocking.
Oh, they were poor. Mate, Jorginho was awful. Thomas Partey was awful. Did you see that one where he went to clear the ball and he gave it straight to him?
Yeah.
Partey in the penalty box. It's like, if that's Harry Kane, that's in the back of the net. If that's Haaland, that's in the back of the net. If that's probably Ollie Watkins, although Ollie Watkins missed a couple of sitters this season. But even so, he'd still get the shot on target. They never got the shot on target, I don't think. Yeah. No, they did. I think it was Brennan Johnson. He did. He P-rolled. It was like a back pass. Yeah, and this is the thing, yeah. The quality between us and them is night and day. They're shit. Yeah, they're crap. Yeah, and it doesn't. And I've seen people saying, "Oh, yeah, Ange out, this and that." It's all well and good saying Ange out and screaming Ange out. You want Levy out because you've had serial winners like Jose and Conte there. Yeah, you had Poch play great football. You wanted great football. You got great football. You got to finals. You didn't win them. You then sacked him after a Champions League final. You then get Jose in. He got you to a final. You then sacked him 5 days before it. You then get Conte in. Yeah. He got top 4 in his first season, beating us to top 4. Yeah, if that's a trophy for these people, right? Then they sack him. Well, he got himself sacked. he said he had enough. He was like, yeah, cool. Then Ange comes in. They were top of the league after 3 months. We were bottom. Yeah? No, I'm lying. That was under Nuno. They were top of the league last season after 3 months. My bad. Last season. They were top. We've got our Tottenham back. Remember all that shit? Now fast forward to this season. Now, all of a sudden, nah, mate, no, Ange out. Well, hold on a minute. What the fuck do you lot actually want as a fan base? Because you can't sit there. Yeah, what a goal that is from Bilbao. Fuck me, what a fucking goal. Spanish football is so lit. It is crazy. Sanchez has just scored a goal. That is crazy. The dummy, the guy let it roll through his legs. Yeah, and Sanchez took a touch, bang. away to Las Palmas. What a goal. Yeah, Jez, you need to start watching Spanish football more, mate, because this is football. Yeah, but as I was saying,
I should do. I should do.
as I was saying, yeah, what do they actually want as a fan base? Because they can have Harry Redknapp, they can have one day Ramos, the last manager to win him a trophy. Yeah, they can have Jose, they can have Conte, they can have Poch, they can have all of these managers. Yeah, they still don't fucking win anything. So what they actually want? Yeah, cool. You sack Ange, then what? Ange goes somewhere else and he'll be successful somewhere else because they got mentality and want to win. That football club is cursed, and it's been cursed, yeah, for years. They don't want to win. Since Daniel Levy and Enoch got in there, they've buried that football club in terms of mentality. Yeah, because let's be real, Jez, they've got a better European record than us. Yes, they haven't got a great trophy haul overall. Yeah, but yeah, we always had the number over them, but they were still a decent cup team. They're not even a decent fucking cup team anymore.
Not anymore. No.
They used to be half decent in the cups. Yeah, they're not even half decent in the cups anymore. Yeah, and that is down to their ownership and down to Daniel Levy as well. And it's like, it's similar with us. We nick a few cups every now and again, so we're cool with that. Yeah, kind of. We obviously want more. Yeah, you and I, yeah. But as a fan base, we're like, yeah, whatever. We're still nicking trophies. They don't fucking win anything. So why do they want him sacked? What are they going to do next? Bring in who?
Exactly.
Yeah, because he won't win anything either, because they've done the tried and tested Jose and Conte shit, and that didn't work either.
No, they're a done and dusted club, that lot. I'll be honest, Lee, I don't give a shit about it, to be honest. Because
it's funny, though, isn't it? It's nice to beat him, Jez.
Got a different view to me, but you know, Kenny gets it, I get it, and you get it. I don't give a shit about Tottenham, because at the end of the day, I'm a very happy boy today. We've gone down the lane. We've beaten them 1-0. Stinky 1-0 win. Jules Graham settings. I don't care. I'm happy. I'm taking it, and I'll take the 3 points. Do we need those 3 points? If we hadn't won today, or if we'd lost or drawn, then that puts even more pressure on the team. And then next Sunday, right? And let's not forget, what was it that Arteta said on his press conference? I'm not writing off Odegaard not being fit. What an absolute clown.
Yeah. He said anyone with 48 hours from a game, yeah, I'm not ruling anyone out. Yeah, where was Calafiori today?
And then we lost Zinchenko before the game.
There you go. Zinchenko's gone. Tommy's gone. Tierney's gone. Yeah, Calafiori's gone. Rice was suspended. Odegaard's gone. Yeah, they announced that signing of his contract to mask the fact that we're fucked.
Yep.
Yeah. And now we're going to get the news because we've beaten Tottenham. They'll then drop the news later next week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, that Odegaard's out for 3 months. They'll probably lie, actually. I did a whole stream last night about David Ornstein, yeah? Right, on deadline day. I don't know if he was, I can't remember if he was in the chat. It was on the last watch along I did yesterday.
Yeah, I watched it.
Right. It was about 8 hours long. Yeah. But I called out David Ornstein on there because he said, yeah, that Reece Nelson to Ipswich is advancing and blah, blah, blah. And he linked the article from The Athletic that he wrote 2 hours, 7 minutes before the deadline shut, saying Reece Nelson to Fulham is done deal. He's completed the deal to Fulham. Fulham signed Reece Nelson on a season-long loan. He links that 2 hours, 7 minutes before the window shut. Yeah, and in the same tweet where he linked Fulham, the article, done deal, he's gone to Fulham, it's signed, it's done. He put Ipswich Town advancing on a deal for Reece Nelson. This is how you know they chat shit. Yeah, then that breaks down. He then tweets out 1 minute after the window shut, or 4 minutes after the window shut, yeah, saying that deal broke down, is now going to Fulham. Yeah, same with Fabrizio. They spun a yarn all deadline day, all summer, them two. Fabrizio and David Ornstein spun a yarn all summer. Yeah, they played us. Raheem Sterling was done the day before. Reece Nelson was done the day before. And Jadon Sancho to Chelsea was done the day before. But because that window was the worst window for all teams for a long, long time, maybe not Chelsea, yeah, but for most teams, they spun a yarn to cause drama and hysteria and panic. David Ornstein put a tweet out. I ain't got it. I checked earlier. He put a tweet out on deadline day saying, Arsenal, after signing Norberto Neto, no more business. The whole fan base all day just went in meltdown. Yeah. Then they fucking pulled Raheem Sterling out of the bag. That Raheem Sterling deal was done the fucking time. He'd already put the fucking tweet out saying no more business. And they played everyone. Yeah. Played everyone. But listen, it's gone 15 minutes. Bless up for your time, Jez. What you got coming up, matey?
Yeah, well, I've got a busy night tonight. I'm going on different channels. I'm going on Aaron's at 6 o'clock. Aaron X-rated, sorry, Arsenal X-rated, his first show. He's a lovely fella, Aaron.
Big up, Aaron, always.
And then I'm going on Tony's show at 8, I think it is. I'm going to may try and squeeze in a match reaction show much later, which probably will be about 10 o'clock tonight, or if not tonight, it'll be tomorrow. And then, of course, tomorrow I'll be on with you and Kenny and Matty for the week's podcast show.
Should be good, man.
Yeah,
Make sure you sub to JEZ, Arsenal history and more. And yeah, Cronky out. Fuck Tottenham as well. But
yes.